Well, hey again, everybody. Bob from Hot Rock Central, and today I'm going to take you through my solar panel switching system. And I was going to include this in a video that covers all this gadgetry that I got up here, but I'm going to be getting a new inverter pretty soon and moving up to 48 volts, and these switches will no longer be required. So I wanted to get a video up of these before that gets changed. And basically what this is a solar intensity sensor that switches in extra solar panels when the sun ducks behind clouds to give these chargers extra power. And the chargers themselves have limits on how much wattage you can put into them depending on what voltage you're using. Like for example, I'm using 24 volts, and the maximum you can put into this is about 3,000 watts of solar panel power. Then if you go down to 12 volts, then it's half that. But if you go up to 48 volts, then it doubles. So once I get the new inverter in, these won't be necessary anymore because I'll have be on a voltage where I can feed double the power into these solar chargers, and they won't be necessary anymore. So anyways, basically the construction of these switches is 10 photoresistors in series up on the roof, and the reason why there's 10 of them in series is because one photoresistor has a very narrow resistance range, and that would cause these readings on here to go wildly up and down. Whereas if you put 10 of them in series, it expands the resistance range and it gives you a more steady flow of readings. So that was the reason for that. Then those sensors feed into these pots right here, which both of these are 10-turn pots, and this is what you need to use because of the sensitivity of this. You have to use 10-turn pots, and the first one is a 10K pot, and that goes in series with the photoresistor wires. And this is the one that makes the reading for your upper limit. So that adjusts the upper limit, and I keep that in full sunshine at 100. And then during the night, the other one is a 100K resistor, and that's jumped right across the input to the sensor, both sides of the sensor. And that adjusts the low setting for night, which I got set at 0. And I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but there's contactors that the switches control. And as the sun intensity goes up and down, they click in and out and give me maximum power going to my batteries from the solar chargers. So I think that about covers that. So I don't really have much more to add to that. So I guess that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.